There is issues teaching learners with difficulty many studies have found that learners with disabilities were proved that they have higher achievement and ability skills through inclusive education. So, furthermore, having separate environments provide a context of exclusion of those who fail to reach the average learner and behavioral characteristics expected of them. So, we all know that exclusion makes learners with disabilities and even teachers to create the capabilities of learners with disabilities, which produces low self-determination and self-esteem among learners with disabilities. So in this chapter, studies about inclusion among learners with disabilities will be discussed how the picture of the effects of inclusion among learners. So, to implement inclusion is to first understand the meaning of inclusion. We all know what's the meaning of inclusion discussed by Ma'am Rita. The most prevalent education conceptualization at this point in time is based on the UNESCO for 2016 that states that inclusive education is the sole process of ensuring that all learners are the same educational opportunities as their same age peers. The literature will show that inclusion is providing all educational services to students with disabilities in general education setting, according to ISO 1997. Similarly, inclusion is about full membership of an age-appropriate class in the local school, doing the same lessons as other people.
So again, good morning everyone. I am Richie Kidoke. I'm going to continue the subtopics 6.3, which is strengths and issues in teaching learners with difficulties. So ultimately, the way inclusion is defined affects the way it is represented and implemented. And with any interpretations, it is essential to see the effects of inclusion on both regular and learners with disabilities. So, as a future teacher, implementing the inclusive education should know what are the effects of implementing the inclusive education to our students. So, So, we have here findings from a large number of research studies shows positive effects of inclusion as it's also. We have here first higher expectation for student learning. So, if the learners with disabilities are included in the same classroom, it can lead to a higher expectation from the teacher and the teacher that works for their academic performance because learners with disabilities can improve their social skills or learning skills or performance during inclusive education. So, and the third one is improved communication and social skills. So, inclusion law provides opportunities for students with disabilities to engage in a more frequent and meaningful social interaction with peers. The fourth one is more satisfying and diverse social relationships. So, inclusive education allows students to form friendships and social communication with a wider range of peers, including those learners with and without disabilities. and best academic outcomes in areas of literacy and mathematics. So, inclusion provides access to general education curriculum and instructional education that are typically more advanced and challenging. So, this exposure to high academic content can lead to improve their social skills, learning skills, or their performance. And let's have to the steps from school method results for disruptive behavior. So some students are they have to study with their friends or with their peers. So especially those students with disabilities can pay attention with their friends or with other people while studying. So during the education, but whether the attendance and or reduce disruptive behavior that accidentally and at the same time was lesser necessity because of simplification and achievement of more IEP goals. So when we look at IEP now, so when we say IEP, it's a personalized education plan for that outline objectives and goals for students with disabilities. And enhance adult outcomes in the areas of both secondary education, employment, and independence. So these enhance, this enhance the adult outcomes indicated that intervention or strategy that you are using in education is effectiveness of our participants or students. So that's all for the part. So the rest of the slides will discuss my mentor further is Michelle Baba.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Angela Trente. I'm going to take the discuss 6.3. Inclusion is not just seen as an advantage to people with disabilities, but also to those without disabilities. This is reflected in the findings of the following research article. So it means, ang panisija is hindi na siya for may mga kapansanan galit na kamalver kundi para sa tanan ka ng pwede sa ato at normal sa tanan kung okay sa tanan siya. Develop friends, stream leadership skills, and social competencies. Ang kwan is kanang kwan talaga lang. Support. Kanang ano siya is kanang kanang kwan kaya for example ako kanang develop friendship kanang dili lang kayo pick-up na siya yung disabilities, di na na-regal na natin siya kundi, pwede sa nato siya na hindi siya makiprench. Ako din ay kasama tayo siya. For example, kaya na may disabilities ka lang sa person. Tapos, pwede sa niya makahatag ng friendship, leadership, and everything. So, hindi lang normal na person ang kaya makapatag kung sa mga disabilities person. So, reduce fear of human differences among one, increase comfort and awareness. Kaya for example, kita natin, di ba may mga person na something kaya mas scare sila sa may mga person na disabilities na. For example, ako, sometimes na lumahado ako dahil mga tao na may something like kapansalan kayo. Di ba siguro ako, di ba kita mantalan ka na masulat rin ka may gawin na tayo na mahalo kayo tungkol. Natay mga lalong na muna. Pero, kasi si JS, kaya nag-igrihan na tayo sa makakuha na dapat dili pamahatod sa isa pa person na disabilities kaya ingana na ilang para disabilities sila malapit sa ato pa hindi ingana na ilang mga hinukan. Next. So, positive growth in social position.
Expected naman yung positive growth in social cohesion and ano galing na kanang maayo. Next is increase academic achievement, assignment, vocation, and classroom participation, and improve attitude toward diversity, unique opportunity or language, regionalized and okay, on to next. The latest education requirement of focus on the inclusion of students with disabilities in the general education city. The policy guidelines on the Goodwill Basic Education Program of 2021 has solution for instant integrated inclusive education in the P12 curriculum inclusive education. Your principal through this policy and inclusive education framework was adopted to provide access and participation to diverse
vaccinated for and I'm not getting one. So, sa inner core, ang mga personality and sa second layer, which is intern. So, okay, I'm intern under sa intern that's what this is and gender, sexual orientation, and race and age. So I want to job as a second so I'm player with external. I'm just external. Family status. Education, and social economic status. And second to the last layer, which is our organizational it's our organizational management status for title certification, department coordination, and union affiliation and doctor layer is Angela. So Angela work management events, political events, cultural events, and historical events.
This is the three kind of very important. So the UDL means the Universal Design for Rating Guidelines. One is engagement, two is representation, and the last is action and inspiration.
Now we're done reporting our findings. The barriers and difficulties and self-care. We're now open for your questions.
And this is Michael Blue Fuentes.
I am Luigi Doctor.
And Ludwig Gap.